Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, there are growing concerns about the global growth trajectory and wobbles in the US. Both equity and bond markets are picking up on the vibe. American retail sales softened last week as monitored by the Red Book survey, a noticeable shift lower than the week before. And US new home sales took an unexpected fall in March, down 12% below a year ago levels and a rather sharp fall away from February levels. Higher mortgage costs are probably biting this corner of their real estate markets rather hard now. After they fell in February, US durable goods orders were expected to rise in March, and they did, but not by as much as expected. The miss, however, is more to do with the timing of transportation orders, read aircraft, which can be lumpy. Other than that, March durable goods orders actually rose more than expected and are up 9.9% from the same month a year ago. Orders for capital goods are up more than 10%. American consumers, however, remain upbeat in the context of 2022, although still not back to pre-pandemic levels. But given the global challenges, the 2022 levels are quite positive. And Singaporean industrial production fell hard in March, and that was not expected. But it is becoming a data item that has some sharp and unexpected retreats on a regular basis. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today lower by another 5 basis points at 2.76%, and the price of gold starts today up $2 since this time yesterday at $1,900 an ounce. And oil prices are back up $4.50 to just over $101.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just under $105 a barrel. In Germany, their economy minister said his country has already cut its reliance on Russian oil enough to make a full embargo manageable. A full EU ban would upend the global trade in petroleum. Meanwhile, Russia has cut off Poland from its gas supply. And there are now reports that Russia is having trouble selling its oil. The Kiwi dollar will open today softer at 65.8 US cents, another quarter-cent fall. Against the Australian dollar with little change at 92.1 Australian cents, and against the euro we're marginally firmer at 61.8 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 72.8, and a little change from where we left it yesterday. We welcome your feedback. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.